I'd like to introduce you to a new adventure we have here at the Botanic Garden, the Evelyn DeBenning Storybook Trail. It is a series of sculptures all related to children's literature. And so we try to do things here at the Botanic Garden that are attractive to families, that will make coming to the Botanic Garden a more enjoyable experience for children and families. And so the Storybook Trail is a great addition for that. It was the idea of Enchanted. She wanted to honor her mother, Evelyn DeBenning, and she came up with the idea of having a storybook trail. So she purchased sculptures and commissioned some sculptures to have here at the garden, all related to children's literature. When you come out to the garden, look for the entry to the Storybook Trail. It is a stone gate with a beautifully engraved wood door, and it represents the secret garden. Then, all the way south is a beautiful horse rearing up that represents Black Beauty. Closer to the stream, we have a little boy fishing, representing the adventures of Tom Sawyer. Near the Tree Walk Village, we have a statue of a wizard, and if you can find it, up on top of the Tree Walk Village, an owl, representing Harry Potter. And then here we have a collection of statues with Fern and Wilbur talking to Charlotte of Charlotte's Web. In the very near future, we plan to add statues representing where the red fern grows. It'll be a boy with two dogs. And we'll also have another statue called Teata, which represents an actress, a Native American actress from the 1930s. We hope to form partnerships with the English department, the theater department, maybe the Stillwater Public Library, and have them have programming here at the Botanic Garden related to children's literature. We really want to thank Anna Wynn for her generosity, for coming up with this idea of building the Storybook Trail at the Botanic Garden, and for having this idea to honor her late mother, Evelyn DeBenning, who was a teacher here in Stillwater. And so we're so happy to have this and look forward to generations of children learning about literature, learning about nature, and discovering things at the Botanic Garden at OSU.
We hope you enjoyed this video as part of our Oklahoma Gardening YouTube channel. You can also find even more videos on the OK Gardening Classics YouTube channel. And join us on social media for great gardening tips, photos, and discussion.